In 2026, water security has shifted from a regional concern to a global priority. With unpredictable rainfall patterns and increasing municipal restrictions, the traditional thirsty garden is becoming a liability. However, a lack of water doesn't mean a lack of life. The botanical world offers an incredible array of xerophytes, plants biologically engineered to thrive in arid conditions by storing water in their tissues, reducing evaporation through waxy leaves, or extending deep taproots into the water table. By selecting these 20 drought-proof plants, you can create a high-yield, resilient landscape that survives and even thrives on neglect. The edible desert staples. 1. Prickly Pear Cactus, Opuntia, the gold standard of drought resilience. The prickly pear is a dual-purpose survival plant. The harvest, both the flat pads, nopales, and the neon-colored fruit, tuna, are edible and rich in electrolytes. Survival mechanism. Its specialized CM, crassulation acid metabolism. Photosynthesis allows it to keep its pores closed during the heat of the day to prevent moisture loss. 2. Pomegranate, Punica granatum. Unlike most fruit trees that require heavy irrigation to produce juice, pomegranates are remarkably water efficient. The harvest, nutrient-dense arils packed with antioxidants. Survival mechanism. Once established, the tree can go into a semi-dormant state during extreme drought to protect its core systems. 3. Tepary beans, Phaseolus acutifolius. Native to the Sonoran Desert, these are perhaps the most drought-tolerant legumes on Earth. The harvest, a high-protein dry bean that tastes like a sweet, nutty version of the pinto. Survival mechanism. They have a rapid life cycle, germinating and setting seed quickly after a single heavy rain. 4. Dragon fruit, Hylocereus. A climbing cactus that produces some of the most exotic-looking fruits in the world. The harvest, refreshing, speckled fruit that requires far less water than traditional orchard fruits like peaches or plums. Survival mechanism. It stores significant water reserves in its fleshy, succulent stems. The resilient Mediterranean herbs. 5. Rosemary, Salvia rosmarinus. A woody perennial that is virtually indestructible once its root system is established. The harvest, aromatic needles for cooking and medicinal oils. Survival mechanism. The needle-like leaves have a small surface area, which significantly reduces the rate of transpiration, evaporation. 6. Lavender, Lavandula. Lavender thrives in the neglect of poor, rocky soil and intense heat. The harvest, flowers for essential oils, teas, and aromatherapy. Survival mechanism. The silver-gray color of the leaves reflects sunlight, keeping the plant's internal temperature lower. 7. Thyme, Thymus vulgaris. A low-growing ground cover that acts as a living mulch, protecting the soil from drying out. The harvest, a culinary staple with powerful antimicrobial properties. Survival mechanism. Its tiny, waxy leaves are designed to hold onto every drop of internal moisture. 8. Sage, Salvia officinalis. Sage is a rugged survivor of the high desert and Mediterranean climates. The harvest, savory leaves used for both culinary depth and soothing sore throats. Survival mechanism. The soft, fuzzy hairs on the leaves trap a layer of moisture against the leaf surface, creating a tiny microclimate of humidity. The high-calorie root survivors. 9. Cassava/yucca, Manihot esculenta. A primary calorie source for millions in the tropics, cassava is a drought-proof alternative to the potato. The harvest, massive, starchy tubers. Survival mechanism. During drought, the plant drops its leaves to conserve water, relying on the energy stored in its roots until the rain returns. 10. Sunchokes, Jerusalem artichokes. While they look like sunflowers, the real prize is beneath the soil. The harvest, crunchy, potato-like tubers rich in inulin. Survival mechanism. They develop massive, aggressive root systems that can find moisture deep in the subsoil where other plants perish. The functional and medicinal xerophytes. 11. Aloe vera. The ultimate first aid plant for any home. The harvest, healing gel for burns, skin health, and internal digestion. Survival mechanism, a true succulent. It consists almost entirely of water storage tissue protected by a thick, leathery rind. 12. Agave. While famous for being the source of tequila and nectar, Agave is a versatile fiber and food plant. The harvest, the core, piña, can be roasted, and the sap can be used as a sweetener. Survival mechanism. Its rosette-shaped funnels every drop of dew or light rain directly down the leaves to the central root system. 13. Jojoba, Simonsia chinensis, a desert shrub that produces seeds filled with a liquid wax. The harvest, jojoba oil, which is chemically identical to human sebum and highly prized in cosmetics. Survival mechanism. It has deep taproots that can reach water up to 30 feet below the surface. 14. Moringa oleifera. The miracle tree is incredibly fast-growing and drought-resistant. The harvest, leaves, protein-rich, pods, and seeds, water purification. Survival mechanism. It stores water in its tuberous roots and trunk, allowing it to stay green when surrounding vegetation turns brown. The dryland staples. 15. Sorghum, a grain that is significantly more water efficient than corn or wheat. The harvest, grain for flour and stalks for syrup. Survival mechanism. Its leaves can roll up to reduce surface area, and it can enter a state of suspended animation during the peak of a drought. 16. Pearl millet, the most drought-hardy of all the millets. The harvest, a gluten-free, high-protein grain staple. Survival mechanism. It can grow in sandy, nutrient-poor soils with less than 10 inches of annual rainfall. 17. Jujube, Ziziphus jojoba, also known as the Chinese date. This tree produces sweet, apple-like fruits. The harvest, high-calorie fruit that dries naturally on the tree. Survival mechanism. It has an extensive, opportunistic root system that spreads horizontally to catch light surface moisture. The rugged perennials. 18. Artichoke, Canaris scalamus. While it looks delicate, the artichoke is a tough, deep-rooted thistle. The harvest, immature flower buds. Survival mechanism. Its large, silver-green leaves are deeply lobed to reduce wind resistance and evaporation, while its deep taproot seeks out groundwater. 19. Sea buckthorn, a nitrogen-fixing shrub that produces superfood berries. The harvest, berries with 12x the vitamin C of an orange. Survival mechanism. It is highly tolerant of both drought and salt, making it ideal for coastal or arid wastelands. 20. Hardy fig, Ficus carica. Figs are some of the most ancient drought-tolerant trees in human history. The harvest, high-sugar, energy-dense fruit. Survival mechanism. Fig trees have invasive roots that can crack through stone and pipes in their search for water, making them ultimate survivors. The strategy for an arid garden. Growing with almost no water requires more than just picking the right plants. It requires soil management. 1. Mulching. A 3-inch layer of wood chips or gravel can reduce soil evaporation by up to 70%. 2. All-yacht irrigation. Use unglazed clay pots buried in the ground to deliver water directly to the roots via osmosis, eliminating evaporation entirely. 3. Hydrozoning. Group these 20 plants together so you don't waste water on a thirsty neighbor. In 2026, the most beautiful garden is the one that doesn't rely on the turn of a faucet. By embracing these 20 drought-proof legends, you secure your food and medicine supply against the uncertainties of a changing climate.